What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? So, for the new year, we wanted to ring it in right and do another scratch off giveaway. So we ordered 196 of these adorable little cards. They're scratch offs. These are the not winners. These are the actual winners, but I wanted to mix them up into the bunch to where you guys can see it, so that it's not like, I don't want any like claims of shadiness or impropriety or whatever. So I'm just gonna do this in front of you guys so that everyone knows that it's legitimate. So there's 21 prizes, and they range from a color of your choice, to stir sticks, to large mystery boxes. We're even starting our geode kits with the coasters, and also with an 18-inch, nope, a 12-inch round. But there's also an 18-inch prize as well. And so how this game is going to go is, if you order $100 or more, well, let me rephrase. For every 100 you spend, you'll get one ticket. And so if you spend $100, you get one ticket. If you spend $200, you get two tickets. You get $300, you get three tickets, etc., so on and so forth. And as soon as you get it, obviously scratch off this little circle here. And if you win, contact us as soon as possible, either with an email or a text. I will list that contact information down below. And claim the prizes that are still left available on the website. I have already on the website right now all the prizes that can be claimed, so that there's no confusion about what's available. As soon as someone claims something, I will mark it as taken or unavailable on the website. So as soon as you scratch off something, and if you win one, be sure to make your way over to the website ASAP to claim whatever prize. So it's first come, first serve with those. So even if you're the first person to order $100 worth and you get your ticket first, but you're the last to chime in for what prize you want, you're just gonna have to take your pick of what's still available. So very important to contact us ASAP when you win. There's no limit to how many tickets you can get. So if you order $100 every day until the end of this game, you're gonna get a ticket until I run out. And once the game is concluded, you have until 1 week after the official announcement of the conclusion of the game to claim your prize, or I'm just gonna put the prize back into circulation for an upcoming game that we're gonna do. What else? Can't remember what else. So I'm gonna get these all organized now that I have successfully washed the cards. Everything's mixed in. I have no idea which one's a winner and which one isn't. They're going to be put in at random. All the official rules of the game are on the website, so make sure you tune in there to see everything that I've forgotten to say on this video. And let me know if you have any feedback of like any future games you want to play, or how I can improve these games. Let me know. We always love hearing from you guys. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and happy creating, y'all. Don't forget to tag us, ATD hashtag, whenever you show your winnings or artwork in general. And we will see you guys later. Bye.
I said bye.